Now this is somewhat different part, partial differentiation. So in the previous standard you might have seen about the differentiation, ordinary derivative. Suppose if I want the derivative of, so introductory part now we are going to discuss. Suppose if I want the d dx of xy plus x square plus y square. Okay, suppose if I want the derivative of this, what is the derivative of this? Yes, anybody? With respect to x, we want the derivative of this function with respect to x. What is the derivative of this function with respect to x? Suppose y is a function of x. Yes, it is x, derivative of x as it is. Sorry, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is dy by dx. Am I right? Plus derivative of 2x is x square is 2x and plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Am I right? So this is about the, this is implicit function as actually y is a function of x. Okay, so if I want the derivative of d dx of sine x, okay, so this is what, this is nothing but cos of x, but it is not like in the partial derivative, partial differentiation. So partial differentiation means what, it is actually the differentiation treating another variable as a constant. So whatever, suppose if we are differentiating with respect to x, we just have to treat another variable as a constant. Suppose if we are differentiating with respect to x, the function is xy plus x square plus y square. So treat, we have to treat this y as a constant here. Okay, so in detail we will discuss that. This is the basic idea about this. Suppose uh, if we have a function, okay, z is f of x comma y. Suppose z is a function of x and y, then what? Let us take that. Let the function z is equal to f of x comma y be a function of xy. Then the ordinary derivative of z with respect to x. Okay, then what is the partial differentiation? Then partial differentiation is nothing but, this is definition, partial differentiation is the ordinary derivative of z. Okay, partial derivative, what is mean by partial derivative? It is ordinary derivative of z with respect to x, means the process is same. Okay, so whatever the rules, whatever the theorems you they are applicable to ordinary derivative, they as it is actually we are now follow to find out the derivative partial differentiation is also. But one basic difference is there between these both. Okay, so let the function z be a function of x and y, then the partial differentiation is what, it is the ordinary derivative of z with respect to x treating y as a constant. Okay, so we have to treat y as a constant while finding the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and it is called as a partial derivative of z with respect to x, treating y as a constant and called as what, partial derivative of z with respect to x. Okay, and it is denoted by, and it is denoted by, what is the notation? So the notation here is, it is somewhat different, is daba z by daba x. This is the differentiation. This is the parameter actually. So याला read असं करायचं daba z by daba x, or you can write this as daba f by daba x. Okay, ordinary derivative कसं लिहितो आपण? This is dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, or dz by dx, derivative of z with respect to x. But if you are interested in partial differentiation, we can write the same thing as the daba z by daba x, isn't it? So the notation is dabba z by dabba x. It means what? Partial derivative of z with respect to x. Okay, so whatever the number of variables, so if you are finding the partial derivative of z with respect to x, treat another variables as a constant. Okay, so it is also, it can be also denoted by like this, or it is dx of f, like this. Suffix x is there. What does it mean? It means it is a partial differentiation of f with respect to x, or it can be written as fx of x comma y. So it means partial derivative of x with respect to y. And therefore, what is the definition? By a basic definition, whatever that we have from the derivative, it is what? So principal definition of the derivative, it is nothing but dabba z by dabba x. This is equal to limit f of x plus h comma y minus f of x comma y upon h as h tends to 0. Actually, we are not using this definition, so don't get confused with this definition. I just given you for your knowledge. So as this definition you have seen in the 11th standard, the basic principal definition of the derivative, and with the help of that we have all the rules, all the results from the differentiation. Okay, so basic principle of derivative that we have. Now provided these limits exist, so if this limit are exist, if this limit is exist, then and then we can find out the derivative. So that's why we just have this definition. Now some second order partial derivatives are here, so that examples might be there on that. So second order partial derivatives. Okay, so that derivatives are, just a minute. Okay, here the second order partial derivative is nothing but partial derivative of, okay, so now it is fine. Second order partial derivatives. Okay, and then suppose if we have a function z, so if z is a function of x and y, okay, then what is the partial derivative, second order partial derivative of z with respect to x? This is nothing but what? Dabba by dabba x of dabba z by dabba x, and it is same as f of x, second order derivative of f with respect to x. Okay, so if you are interested in the second order partial derivative of z with respect to y, okay, dabba square z by dabba y square, this is nothing but what? Dabba by dabba y of dabba z by dabba y. So this is same as what? F of y. This is the second order partial derivative of z with respect to x. Also we can write this as dabba square z by dabba x dabba y. So if we want the partial derivative of z with respect to xy, okay, so what does it mean? It is dabba by dabba x of dabba z by dabba y, like this. This is simply f of x comma y, xy. Means take the first, take derivative of z with respect to y, and then whatever that answer, differentiate partially it with respect to x. That is the part. Okay, also similarly we can write dabba square z by dabba y dabba x. This is nothing but dabba by dabba y of dabba square z by dabba, sorry, dabba by dabba z by dabba x, like this, and we can call it as dabba y x. And the interesting fact about this is what? So we have f of xy is same as f of yx. This is very important. This is very nice result. So if we go in that way, so first you'll differentiate y, then with respect to x. Okay, it is same as first with respect to x and then y. Okay, so again what does it mean? Dabba square z by dabba x dabba y is same as dabba square z by dabba y dabba x. We have some examples to verify this as well. Okay, so this is about the very nice result that we are using, we are going to use to find out the answers. Okay, so now let me explain. Let me start with very basic example that you that will help you to understand the concept of partial differentiation. Okay, so the example here is, suppose, so if we have f of x comma y is equal to, this is very basic example that will help you to understand the concept of partial differentiation. If you have a doubt, then please ask, because this is not the only thing that we are now studying or we are using in this course, because this all things will help to understand the some topics in the engineering mathematics 2 as well as in the engineering mathematics 3. So once if you understand this is very important concept in the engineering mathematics 1 2 and 3. Okay, so suppose we, if we have a f of x comma y is equal to x square plus x5 plus y square. Now find what we have to find: dabba f by dabba x dabba f by dabba y, means partial derivative of f with respect to x and partial derivative of f with respect to y. Now let us start for the solution, see how it is. Okay, so dabba f by dabba x is equal to dabba by dabba x of what is function x square plus y, xy plus y square. Okay, fine. Now, while finding the partial differentiation, what is my partial derivative? It is the ordinary derivative of the function treating another variable as a constant. This is the basic definition. Now, what we have to do here? We just have to take the partial derivative of the function with respect to x. So, in the ordinary way, just we treat the another variable as constant. What is the another variable here? There are two variable in the function, and that are x and y. So while finding the partial derivative with respect to x, we are treating another variable which is y as a constant. Okay, so here if we are finding the derivative with respect to x, then treat y as a constant. Here we just have to take y as a constant. Okay, fine. Now what is the derivative of x square with respect to x? Yes, what is that? Anybody? Please answer. What is the partial derivative of x with respect to f with respect to x? Am I audible? Okay. What is the derivative of x square with respect to x? Yes, 2x. Okay. Plus. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. हा लक्षात घ्या व्यवस्थित ही स्टेप, कारण याच्यामध्ये y आहे. आता y कॉन्स्टंट घेतोय आपण. मला सांगा की तुम्ही ax चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय घ्याल? व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ax विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x? येस, a कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1. एम आय राईट? म्हणजे याचं काय येईल? फक्त a येईल. मग तसंच हा y कॉन्स्टंट आहे इथे. मग y ऍज इट इज आणि x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल तुमचा? 1. गॉट इट? व्हॉट अबाउट y स्क्वेअर? व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ y स्क्वेअर? Any guesses? What is the derivative of y square with respect to x? See, what we have taken, we have treated this y as a constant. So y square, there is no x in the third term. Third term मध्ये x नाहीच आहे, म्हणजे पूर्ण constant term झाली ना ती. And what is the derivative of constant term? Yes, it is 0. And my answer for this is nothing but 2x plus y. Isn't it? So dabba f by dabba x is simply what? 2x plus y. Are you getting or not? Okay, so let us move forward for the partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay, so dabba by dabba y of x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, now see, while finding the derivative with respect to y, what is the derivative of x square? 2x, but we are differentiating partially with this. Yes, there is no y in the first term. याच्यामध्ये y नाहीये. So what you have to take? You just have to consider x as a constant. x ला तुम्ही constant म्हणून treat करा. येतंय लक्षात? मग आता पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये y नाहीच आहे. There is no y in the first term. So therefore its derivatives become what? Totally zero. Am I right? Plus, what is the derivative of xy with respect to y? X constant term आहे as it is आणि y चा derivative 1. कळतंय? Let me elaborate this in precise way. So suppose if I take this partial derivative, just separate these three terms, x square plus dabba by dabba y of xy plus dabba by dabba y of y square. Okay, so as there is no x, this is totally constant term, its derivative is 0 plus x is constant outside the derivative dabba by dabba y of y. Are you getting? And the derivative is 2y. Derivative of y square is 2y. So what about this? 0, x as it is, derivative of y is 1 plus 2y. And my answer is x plus 2y. Isn't it? Any doubt? Yes. Okay, so this is the precise way to understand the partial differentiation. Let me explain one more example. Find dabba f by dabba x and dabba f by dabba y for f is equal to sine of xy x square, or if we take sine of xy, what is the derivative of this sine of xy? Partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. Okay, so let us see this. This is very interesting. So suppose if I want dabba f by dabba x, partial derivative of f with respect to x. So this is dabba by dabba x of sine of xy. As this is a composite function, what is the derivative of sine of xy? Yes. What is the derivative of sine? What is the derivative of sine? Cos. Cos x comma y. X into y, sorry. Into again derivative of into partial derivative of xy. Composite function है. येते लक्षात? Okay. So this is equal to cos x into y is nothing but as it is. Cos xy as it is. What is the partial derivative of this xy with respect to x? सांगता येईल का आता? कारण partially with respect to x घेताय म्हणजे y constant घ्यायचा आहे. Am I right? So take y as a constant. So here if y is a constant, then derivative of x is 1 into y. So what is my what is my answer? Y into cos of xy. Isn't it? काय अडचण? सगळ्यांना कळतंय? गौरव, Aniket, Vaibhav, is there any problem? Okay, ठीक है. So this is what is the partial derivative of f with respect to y? Just try to calculate. सांगा बरं आता. Dabba by dabba y of sine of x into y. Just try to find out and tell me the answer fast. It is very simple. कुठला y? Constant. इथे see here if we take the y constant, जर इथेच म्हणते ना तू खाली, आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला ना इथे. नाही ना पुढे कुठे घेतला आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, याच्या पुढे नाही. हा जर सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असला तर मग तो विचार होईल पुढे. येते लक्षात? मग सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह साठी u इंटू व्ही रूल अप्लाय होईल इथे, किंवा y डायरेक्टली कॉन्स्टंट असल्यामुळे डायरेक्टली डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाहेर येईल सिंगल y असल्यामुळे. पण ह्या स्टेप वरनं आपण घेतोय ना ही स्टेप. आलं लक्षात? cos y as it is लिहिला, ओके. आणि ही टर्म सॉल्व्ह केली फक्त आपण. वी हॅव सॉल्व्ह दिस टर्म ओनली. x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 घेतला आणि y ॲज इट इज. ऍक्च्युली ज्या वेळेला हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेता तुम्ही तो कसा असेल बघा. डॅबा बाय डॅबा x ऑफ x इंटू y. मग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x आहे म्हणजे y कॉन्स्टंट डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाहेर आला. डॅबा बाय डॅबा x ऑफ x म्हणजेच काय येईल y इंटू 1 म्हणजे याचा आन्सर काय असेल तुमचं y. कळतंय? दॅट्स वाय दॅट y इज देअर. Isn't it? So here we haven't take a derivative. इथे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ह्या स्टेपला सॉल्व्ह केलंय. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथे घेतोय आपण ह्या स्टेपसाठी फक्त. पुढच्या स्टेप मध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलाच नाही आपण. ही फक्त सिम्प्लिफाय केलेली. येते लक्षात? इथे डी डी एक्स नाहीये ना, डॅबा बाय डॅबा एक्स नाहीये इथे. आलं लक्षात? वैष्णवी? Okay. That's it. This is my derivative. Now, what is the derivative here? What is the derivative here? Partial derivative of the sin xy with respect to y. सांगता येईल? सेम करायचंय तुम्हाला. साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस येईल. कॉस एक्स इंटू वाय. आणि परत पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कोणाचा? एक्स वायचा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय. आता विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय म्हणजे कोण कॉन्स्टंट आहे? एक्स इज कॉन्स्टंट. बरोबर ना? मग एक्स डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाहेर आली आणि वायचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल? 1. Am I right? And what is my answer here? सांगता येईल का? दिस इज कॉस ऑफ एक्स इंटू वाय. आणि इथे काय येईल? y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 आणि x ॲज इट इज आणि y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1. ही स्टेप सॉल्व्ह केली आपण फक्त. म्हणजे x इंटू कॉस ऑफ एक्स वाय. समजलंय? काय अडचण? इज देअर एनी डाऊट? येस ऑर नो? अजून काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? समजलं सगळ्यांना? ओके. सो लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड. The second example that we have, it is also very simple. Example 2. So if we have a u is equal to log of x square plus y square, u is given, it is log of x square plus y square. Okay, verify that u of x into y is equal to u of y into x. That very first result I have explained. It is this example is depend on that u of xy is equal to u of yx. Okay, so let us see how it is. First we want it. What is u of xy? What is the meaning of this u of xy? It is the second order partial derivative of this u. Am I right? And this is same as dabba square u by dabba y dabba x. दोघं व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायच्या. दोघांची व्हॅल्यू बघूया सेम येते का. इफ इट इज सेम then the result is verified, or otherwise it is not. Isn't it? Now let us try. तर बघा, first find out dabba u by dabba y. Okay, so what is dabba u by dabba x? आपण find करूया. Dabba u by dabba x. What is dabba u by dabba x? So this is dabba by dabba x of log of x square plus y square. What is this? सांगता येईल का? What is the derivative of log? 1 upon x. म्हणजेच इथे so d dx of derivative चे result पाठ करा. d dx of log of fx is equal to what? That is 1 upon fx into f dash of x. Am I right? Okay, so it means what? It means 1 upon काय लिहिते 1 upon x square plus y square into partial derivative of this with respect to x. What is that? Into dabba by dabba x of x square plus y square. Am I right? See, every time I am writing again a second part. So in after some examples, I will directly return the derivatives. I am not writing the second part. ओके. एक स्टेप इथे वाढवतोय फक्त थोड्या वेळेपुरता. तुम्हाला ज्या वेळेला एकदाची फॅमिलियर झाले तुम्ही याच्यासोबत विल डायरेक्टली टेक द डेरिव्हेटिव्स. ओके. Now what is the partial derivative of this x square plus y square with respect to x? Any guesses? इथे बघा, इथे एक्स स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x होऊन जाईल आणि वाय स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल सांगता येईल का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स? येस, एक्स आहे का वाय स्क्वेअरच्या टर्म मध्ये? बघा, डॅबा बाय डॅबा एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर याचा पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतोय आपण. याच्यामध्ये एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x होऊन जाईल. याच्यामध्ये एक्स आहे का? ज्या टर्म मध्ये एक्स नाहीये त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डायरेक्टली 0. येतंय लक्षात? हे चेक करायचं डिनॉमिनेटरला काय आहे, एक्स आहे ना, पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स आहे. मग ज्या टर्म मध्ये एक्स असेल त्यांचाच प्रॉपर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, ज्या टर्म मध्ये एक्स नाहीये ती टोटली कॉन्स्टंट टर्म, इट्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. isn't it? मग इथे काय येणार आहे तुमचं, सो दिस इज हिअर ओनली 2x अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर. दिस इज डॅबा u by डॅबा x. गॉट इट? what is डॅबा u by डॅबा y? this is डॅबा by डॅबा y of log of x square plus y square. and what is this सांगता येईल का आता? this is very simple. with respect to y आहे फक्त. मग with respect to y साठी x square 0 होऊन जाईल आणि y square 2y होऊन जाईल, म्हणजे 0 plus 2y. and what is my answer here? 2y divided by x square plus y square. Isn't it? Any doubt? Okay, now let us consider the LHS of the result that we want. Consider daba square u by daba x daba y. This is equal to daba by daba x आधी into daba u by daba y. Am I right? आता daba u by daba y ची व्हॅल्यू टाकून द्या. daba by daba x as it is. daba u by daba y म्हणजे हा आहे. Substitute that value. This is 2y divided by x square plus y square. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल सांगता येईल का तुम्हाला? Partial derivative of this bracket with respect to x. What is constant here? What is constant? Y is a constant. मग 2y ही पूर्ण constant term येईल का? Is it constant term totally? Yes, 2y is a totally constant term. So shall I take it outside the derivative? Yes or no? बोलत चला रे तुम्ही, हो की नाही? माझा आवाज क्लिअर येतोय ना वैष्णवी? ओके, तुम्ही काही बोलतच नाही, मग मी विचारतोय कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आहे बाहेर घ्यायची का नाही घ्यायची? येस, टेक इट आउटसाइड. कॉन्स्टंट असली तर 2y डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाहेर घेतो. 2y ॲज इट इज. अँड व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर सांगता येईल का? व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस? इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डी dx ऑफ 1 अपॉन एफ एक्स काय असतो? डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे रिझल्ट पाठ करा बरं का, अदरवाइज दिस इज हा मायनस 1 अपॉन एफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स येईल ना. Okay, so this result I am going to use. So this is minus 1 upon x square plus y square bracket square. तुमचा fx म्हणजे x square plus y square bracket square आहे. इंटू काय येईल, परत ह्या x square plus y square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x इंटू 2x. चालेल का? कारण y square टोटली कॉन्स्टंट आहे, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0 होऊन जाईल. ओके, so this is daba by daba x of okay. Any doubt in this step? And what is 2x into 2y? This is in the numerator, it is 4 minus 4x xy divided by x square plus y square bracket square. This is your daba square u by daba x daba y. Am I right? Yes or no? Okay, so this is the actually partial differentiation of u with respect to xy. Now we are interested in daba square u by daba x. आता second part बघूया आपण. daba y dabba x. What is this? So this is dabba square, sorry, dabba by dabba y of आधी y पुढे आणि ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय येईल dabba x by dabba u by dabba x. आता dabba u by dabba x ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे बघूया. dabba by dabba y of this value is, what is that value? कुठे गेली? Okay, 2x upon x square plus y square. Substitute that. This is 2x upon x square plus y square. सेम आता 2x कॉन्स्टंट आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाहेर घेतला. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सेम आला -1 अपॉन x स्क्वेअर प्लस y स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि इंटू याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2y येईल. येतंय का लक्षात? कारण विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y आहे, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x नाहीये. ज्यावेळेला विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x होता त्यावेळेला x स्क्वेअर प्लस y स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x आला. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y असल्यामुळे 2y येईल. And what is this answer? This is nothing but minus 4xy again divided by x square plus y square bracket square. This is your dabba square u by dabba y dabba x, and this is my equation number 2. And observe equation 1 and 2. What I get? Is they are same? Yes or no? See, what is equation 1? This is minus 4xy divided by x square plus y square bracket square. And this is nothing but minus 4xy x square plus y square bracket square. So therefore from 1 and 2 we can say that, therefore from 1 and 2 what we have, dabba square u by dabba x dabba y is same as dabba square u by dabba y dabba x. Am I right? That is what? That is u of xy is same as u of yx. This example will be there for the 4 marks, 4 or 5 marks. Okay, I think you have got this. If you have a doubt you can ask so that I can clear it. Yes, this is very important example, and that this might be in the final exam also, isn't it? Yes or no? So just try for this. See, just try for this at home. I just give you the one more example for you at home. So for homework, this is of similar kind. So if we have a z is equal to x raised to y plus y raised to x. Okay, verify that z of xy is same as z of yx. Just verify this. Same. Dabba square z by dabba x dabba y is same as dabba square z by dabba y dabba x. सेम करायचं तुम्हाला, फक्त पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह प्रॉपर घ्या. येते लक्षात? तर इथे बघा, just explain one thing about this. So if we are finding the derivative of z with respect to x, then dabba by dabba x of x raised to y plus y raised to x. What is the derivative of x raised to y? सांगता येईल का? Because y is constant here. Am I right? Y is constant here. What is the derivative of a raised to x? And x raised to a. These are the two things here that we need to understand. Derivative of a raised to x and derivative of x raised to a. What is the derivative of a raised to x? हे दोन रिझल्ट तुम्हाला खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. हा जर सॉल्व करायचा असेल तर. What is that? What is the derivative of a raised to x? Yes, a raised to x into log of a. And what is the derivative of x raised to a? x raised to n चा रिझल्ट a x raised to a minus 1. बरोबर आहे का? नाही? Then what is that? हा, डेरिव्हेटिव्हला कमी होतो ना, इंटिग्रेशनला पॉवर वाढत जाते. Right? So if you are finding the derivative of this x raised to y with respect to x, then what is that? X y constant आहे म्हणजे हा रिझल्ट यूज होईल. Yes, so it is nothing but y x raised to y minus 1. Am I right? And if you are finding the derivative of y raised to x with respect to x, then this result will hold for that. And it is nothing but what? Y raised to x into log of y. समझता है क्या? Just use this trick, you will get the answer. Okay, you can take y common, and remaining things you will find out. Okay, so just try to solve this example. Trust me, this is very interesting example. You will also get some part of your derivative will get revised here. Okay, once if you solve this, just use these two results. I will share the PDF with you. Okay, just try to solve at home. So let us move forward and just take one more example for you. It is some a different example. Okay, so example number 3. I think 4. Okay. So if we have u, if u is equal to, this is log of x cube plus y cube minus xy square plus x square y, then what? Then show that dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y bracket square into u, this is equal to minus 4 upon x plus y bracket square. This we need to show, we need to verify. ठीक आहे, तर असं आहे. बघूया काय कशा प्रकारे आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचे. ओके, दिस इज समवॉट डिफरंट. ओके, बट बेसिक आयडिया इज सेम. ओके, so let us try. Here suppose if we have a u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube minus xy square plus x square y. Okay, just let me verify the example once again. X cube plus y cube. Okay, okay, it is not a minus plus, it is minus. Sorry for this. This is minus. Okay. Now it is fine. So now first find out the partial derivative of v with respect to x and y. Okay, so differentiate differentiate u with respect to x and y. So what I get? Dabba u by dabba x. What is dabba u by dabba x? Log of means 1 upon, this is x cube plus y cube minus xy square minus x square y. आणि न्यूमरेटर मध्ये परत याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फंक्शनचा x क्यूब चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल तुमचा 3x स्क्वेअर, y क्यूब चा 0, याचा काय येईल मायनस x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1, y स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज आणि minus 2xy. चेक करा, इज इट राइट? I am directly written that. So I just have used the partial derivative of, just use the result of log of fx. What is the derivative of log of fx? It is 1 upon fx into f dash of x. आता fx म्हणजे हे टोटल फंक्शन आहे तुमचं ब्रॅकेट मधलं x क्यूब प्लस y क्यूब मायनस xy स्क्वेअर minus x square y, and the partial derivative of this with respect to x I have taken. Partial derivative of x with this function x cube plus y square minus xy square minus x square y with respect to x. So derivative of x cube is 3x square. There is no x in this term, therefore its derivative is 0, minus derivative of x is 1 and y square as it is, minus derivative of x square is 2x and y as it is. He term इथे as it is legally. If you have a doubt, you can ask. Is there any doubt? Is y cube here, not y square in the denominator. Okay, so similarly, what is dabba u by dabba y? What is that? It is take the derivative of this bracket with respect to y. So 0, derivative of y cube is 3y square minus derivative of xy square is 2xy and minus x square is there. Okay, derivative of y is 1 divided by this as it is, x cube plus y cube minus xy square minus x square y. Okay, so if we add these two, what I get? Why I am adding? So that will understand in the next step, but take an addition of these two. So what I get? Dabba u by dabba x प्लस डॅबा u by डॅबा y. This is equal to दोघांची ऍडिशन घेऊया. 3x square is there minus y square is there minus 2xy is there, divide by x cube plus y cube minus xy square minus x square y, plus this is 3y square minus 2xy minus x square, divide by x cube plus x cube y cube minus xy square minus x square y. LCM is same, दोघांचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे, न्यूमरेटरची ऍडिशन होईल. सो दिस इज 3x square minus y square minus 2xy plus 3y square minus 2xy minus x square is there, divide by x cube plus y cube minus xy square minus x square y, like this. Okay, so if we add them, see this 3x square minus x square is nothing but 2 times x square. Check kara, y square minus y square plus 3y square, it is plus 2 times y square, and minus 2xy minus 2xy is minus 4xy. Okay, so divide by, see what is here. So if I take x common from this first two, this is the part of calculation. Now I'm just try to reduce the calculations for the next step. So x cube plus y cube is there. If I take x, if I take, okay, not like that. Suppose if we consider these two terms, which two terms, this one and this one in the one bracket, and this second and third term in the another bracket. So what I get, see, so I'm writing this as x cube minus x square y plus y cube minus xy square. हे दोघं दोघं टर्म शेजारी लिहून घेतल्या. In the numerator you can take two common. What is inside the bracket? X square plus y square minus 2xy, divide by, so from these two you can take x square common. So if I take x square common, what I get inside the bracket? X minus y. Okay, so x minus y is there, and in the denominator if I take y square common from the second step, what I get? It is x minus y. Okay, fine. Now what is next here? So this is equal to 2. This is x minus y bracket square, I think. If we see that x minus y bracket square, and what is there in the denominator? This is uh, y minus x is there. Not, we just have to take a y minus y square common here, not plus x square, minus y square. So take minus y square common, then and then we will get here it is x minus y. So here x minus y into x square minus y square is there. So 1 x square minus y square get cancelled with this, and this is nothing but 2 into x minus y is there in the numerator, divide by x square minus y square is nothing but x minus y into x plus y. Again this get cancelled, and finally what I get, this is daba u by daba x plus daba u by daba y. This is equal to what? 2 upon x plus y. Any doubt in this calculation? This is only algebraic calculation. You need to practice it. Okay, I have done that. Okay, just find the correct derivatives, partial derivatives, and then just add them. And after doing proper calculation, proper algebraic manipulation, you will get this term. Okay, now what to do here? We are interested in daba square. See, daba by daba x plus daba by daba y of bracket square into u. Now consider that. Consider the LHS. Okay. This term we want, consider daba by daba x plus daba by daba y bracket square into u. So this is what bracket square is nothing but what dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y into dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y into u. हा u पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय टाकून द्या मग आता. So this is dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y of what dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y. This is very important step. Note this step. Second derivative घेऊन टाकाल नाही तर तुम्ही. This is wrong. Okay, second, don't take it the second derivative. Just expand this in this way. You will get definitely the correct answer. Now dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y. What is this bracket that we have? It is from the equation number 1. See, this is 2 upon x, x upon x plus y. That's why we have formed that. Okay. Now take the multiplication. 2 upon x plus y दोघांना multiply ला जाईल. Dabba by dabba x of 2 upon x plus y. Okay. Plus dabba by dabba y of 2 upon x plus y. And now take the derivative. That is the only part which is remaining. What is the derivative of this x plus y? It is 2 as it is. This 2 as it is divided by x plus y bracket square minus function is there 1 upon fx, derivative of 1 upon x is fx is minus 1 upon fx square, and again derivative of x is 1. That's why I have written that. Again this derivative is minus 2 divided by x plus y bracket square. LCM same आहे, numerator ची addition with minus 2 is nothing but minus 4 upon x plus y bracket square, and this is nothing but what simply minus 4 divided by x plus y bracket square, and that I want. So this is the LHS minus 4 upon x plus y bracket square. Isn't it? Are you getting this? Yes or no? Okay. So this is just practice it so that you can understand. Okay, just one more example I will just give you for the homework. That example is also the similar kind. Okay, so if u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, okay, then show that is that dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y plus dabba by dabba z into sorry square into u is equal to minus 9 upon x plus y plus z bracket square. Just try to show. This is similar as that of before we have seen. Okay, so now we just stop here for the next lecture. The next lecture will come with the another interesting fact about this partial differentiation. Okay, so hope you understand. If you have a doubt, then just ask in the next lecture as well.